Let us see which class the flags dataset belongs to. So the class is a data frame. Here the class and in the bracket flags will show that which class it belongs to, but it is showing for entire data set. What we really need is to call a class function on individual columns. So I just wanted to see what are the classes of each and every individual column, which you can see over here directly. So this is a factor, this is numeric, 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 and so on. So I want the output in such a way that country and which class it belongs to, landmass, which classes belong to. So I want the output in that manner. So we will use the lapply function to get the output. So let me just add over here lapply. So this is the first type of function which we'll be using. The lapply function takes a list as input, applies function to each element of the list, and then returns the list of same length as the original one. So let's create this class underscore list. So I'll just store my output in class underscore list. I'll apply. So it will be flags, and the function which I want to pass is class. Let's hit Control Enter. Keep saving your work. Here also you can see it's a list of 30. Let's print class underscore list. Let's do Control Enter. Now you can see it is giving me the data type of each and every column headers or column. So the country is factor, landmass is integer, ozone is integer, area is integer, population is integer. The lapply applied to the class function to each column of flags data set and stored the result in variable called class list which we have created, and also L in lapply stands for list. So this is the class. So let's do some other operations also. So a class list can be simplified into a character vector. Let's convert this into a character vector. So let me just add a comment over here. Convert into character vector. Let's do as dot character and just pass class underscore list. Let's hit Control Enter. So this list is converted into character. As you can see, it is just giving you the output but not with the column headers. Just you can see bot right, and let me just zoom this for you. So bot right is factor, so it is factor. So the answers are given in terms of character vector. So let's check the class now of class underscore list. Let's do Control Enter. It is a list. I have not updated this because I have not stored this particular command anywhere, so it is not converted, hence it is still a list.